This is National Sanskrit University Tirupati campus. Ketam Kranvan Akevate, one should give the light of knowledge to the ignorant. This is Ahimsa Paramo Dharmaha Shaikshik Bhavanam. This is the academic building. Padma Bhushan Mahamahopadhyaya Naval Pakam Shathako Paramanujatacharya Shaikshik Bhavanam. Oh. National Sanskrit वाग्वर्धिनी परिषद अखिल भारतीय संस्कृत छात्र समारोह. Oh. So this is the program that we are. Beautiful campus. Mahopadhyaya पट्टाभिराम शास्त्री ग्रंथालय. कृपया कुसुमानी माँ अवचिनुत फूलों को न तोड़े. ओके. दिस इज लाइब्रेरी. दिस इज यूनिवर्सिटी कैंटीन. So beautiful. And this is research and publication building. Just in front of it, it is written Brahme Vedam Vishwamida Varishtham. This entire universe is the supreme Brahman itself. Om Ityevam Dhyayatha Atmanam. Satam Hrudayam Pravishto Doshaha Parda Iva Kshanamapi Natisthati. Nabhavati Mahima Vina Vipattehe. No great virtue is evident in the absence of any calamity. Wonderful. There are some programs happening here. That information is also mentioned. Rashtriya Sanskrit Vishwavidyalaya Tirupati Vagvardhini Parishad Dvitiya Akhila Bharatiya Sanskrit Chhatra Pratibha Samaroha. Oh, very nice. And here our training is being done. This is UGC Master Trainers Program. Nyayat Patha Pravichalanti Padam Nadhiraha. Great. Very aptly, gentle people never step aside from the path of ethics. Dhiraha is translated as gentle, but it should be different. Look at the campus and you can feel the impulse, the very impulse of sacred Sanskrit lines here and there. So here it is Navanchaniyaha Prabhavaha Anujeevihi. The masters should not be deceived by their servants. Oh. And there is something called Sukham Upadishyate Parasya. It is easy to advise others. And a very important quotation is being done here, and it is Vidvaneva Vijayanati Vidvajjana Parishramam. I often quote this, and this is written here, and this is a new academic building of National Sanskrit University. And at this back, yeah, Guna Puja Sthanam Gunishu Nachalingam Nachavaya. Only virtues of the people are to be respected, but not their gender or age. This is academic block, Prashasana Bhavanam. You will find a beautiful architectural marvel here. Look at this. So beautiful. The architecture, the construction. And this is inaugurated, I think, at the hands of Honorable President of India, Draupadi Murmu ji. And it's very interesting. Yeah, Bhavitavyanam Dwarani Bhavanti Sarvatra. It's a very famous quotation from Kalidas, I suppose, that there are many openings everywhere for the events to happen. And here it is written, it has gone by this. Kartavya ho mamakaraha kintu saha sarvatra kartavya. Mamakara. And this is a temple, but it says that it is Agama Prayoga Shala. So yesterday I had a word with priest over here. He said this is Agama Prayoga Shala, means how the Agamas are teaching about the culture of temple, and this is taught here in this. So it's a very beautiful temple, and the students of Agama department get internship here as a pujari. Okay.